Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Paper Art. I hope you all are fine. Here I am showing some different ideas of coil paper art. As you can see, these are so beautiful and easy to make. You can make it by yourself. You can watch tutorials on YouTube by searching coil paper art. If you watch my video for the first time, then please subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Share it to your friends and family for support us. You can ask any question about this video in our comment section and also tell us about your choice, so we made videos specially for you. You can also watch more videos like this in my YouTube channel. So visit our channel for more creative ideas. I will back soon with a new video and new ideas. Stay blessed, stay happy. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz viewers.